Can you not say profanities?
You say right? Huh? You say. That works.
I should try it out next time.
Put your bags. So the is white.
I should have said that by the way. Okay, well. I'm gonna post it.
You wanna go for the move?
You think I don't know money? You think I got money? I just got money. Let me check how much I actually don't have money.
How much?
How much you got? Ah, you so rich. I just want to get 30 in a week.
I get 50 more.
I still got 44. How much do I get?
$44.
24. I get 25.
Yeah, I take
course. Yeah. And
that's like
that's my aim. I get also 25.
I get 50.
I really
Because of Saturday and Sunday, I get.
Saturday and Sunday you don't get food.
No, what? I want to stay on the drum. Isn't it? And then, because the energy too close.
You see the girly pop?
It is? It's the engine. Are you sure it's the correct?
I'm not sure. I'm actually not sure. He is mostly, but he's been
This?
the basketball. That's a foreign class president.
Shut up. You're cooking the whole bus. Cross countries.
Get it. I saw him before. Awkward eye contact.
I finally changed my seat. Who won?
Saving Gavin and
Never G.
Saving Gavin.
And this very last
Broke with the button.
Thanks for your shot. Killing all the boys.
The chime is very loud.
Stop, that's so stop it. Shit! I forgot to submit the letters. The researching that one. I need to text. I text you.
Very good.
Yeah, I still in school, man.
No.
Don't judge.
Okay, I'm not judging.
That's messed up.
What?
I think we eat also.
think it's too late.
You like Syrian? No.
Too late.
Same as Mayan. Mayan, I don't like Mayan.
I think it's too late.
There's someone talking to you.
I think it's too late.
Are you reading my messages?
No. I heard what you said. Oh, drive us home. I do that. Friday's the best day, by the way.
Are you on Leo?
No, Libra. Oh yeah, Libra.
I think Friday's the best day.
What are you trying to be? Not even though it's fine. It's fine.
What you say? What you say?
I think Friday's the best day of the week.
Friday.
Friday.
I'm talking about days, David.
Okay. Call about dismissal. Then on Friday also STL very nice. I can stay at home.
Is it for nice?
Then I'm very happy next week, very short week. Like only 3 days of school. Then Thursday STL and Friday no school, very good.
But I got do some. I was doing it during the night shift. So Chinese during science during.
That's how I say.
Oh. If you never come, everything I got push on and then I got so late. I need to collect all the things.
But yeah, like comes for like 4 out of 5 every week. Like
4 out of 5. Why not?
days of every week. 3 out of
3 out of 5.
Oh. Like
Maybe
every,
sometimes even.
like every week she skips school like 3 days. Yeah. Sister sick, mother sick, father sick. She herself sick. Yeah. Oh, Rin also skips school though.
Really? She actually sleep.
Yeah, like he never get MC. Yeah, I know. But she asked her parents. But then she say her mom busy so she cannot write.
Okay, at least I skip CCA and not school. I care about my studies.
I saw her.
At least my academic comeback is coming. See, I got 21.
But I cannot.
I got 20 out of
Mine is
30
not
from
a
5 to 20.
Mine is not a academic comeback because there was no
But you came with
back to go. Like no, as in like I can't go back to being smart because I was never smart. So you can't come back.
Can you believe I got 5 for the bed and then I got 20 for the bed. I gave it to him.
Bro, Amelia's not replying me. I feel
Hehehe.
like she's gonna sort
Then
it.
your internet is like
It's very good.
your
Bro,
internet.
what's your problem?
But
What's the problem, David?
Nothing.
It looks like a.
All I'm talking to them and he's telling me, haha, this is right.
Oh, it's not talking to me. What is it?
You know he was talking to me just now. He said, I hope you get scolded or something like that. He said like that. He said,
he said Friday is the best day.
yeah. And then we
Yeah.
were talking about months.
Why talk about which day is the best week? Which week is the best week in the month?
Then he say next week got only 3 days. Then he's very happy.
It's not like we don't know every subject.
Yeah, lesson only on 1 p.m. on Wednesday. Very good.
I go, last time I sick, I go general office and all. And I scolded, right?
When was that?
It's okay, just forget about it.
Okay.
I feel so
My
awkward
legs
now.
hurt so much.
No, I no problem.
Come. Damn me up. Dia bantu back in.
No, sorry, I don't want to take a bus to Bukit Batok just to meet you at the back
Where
gate.
you live, ah?
Hey, back in.
You know how to get there?
Yeah.
There's no back gate.
No,
It's
guys.
only a
Front
side.
gate.
There's,
Guys, it's okay, let's come.
You gonna tell me there's no front gate?
there is a back gate.
Guys, let's come.
Better show up.
I said I can go inside the square when you cannot ask for it.
你看小孩，你看小孩手这样子。
诶，有数，有地域不数比较啊，小心一点。
I can ask all my three ball friends to come.
Two more friends.
Yeah.
You
What
are
you
two
say?
more.
CCC ah?
No, I was.
Or two more function.
Yeah, so they can punch you for me.
That's what you say? CCC ah?
Guys.
Yeah, I wish there was a two more.
Wait, so is he talking to us or not?
Who are you talking to? You are talking to us or talking to him? Oh, you're talking to him.
Yeah, what you say? CCC? Yeah, he my CCA.
Oh, this is oh, you cross country ah?
Yeah.
Competition.
Yeah.
You know he's faster than me.
He's faster than you.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like what? And he don't always skip my notes. Oh my god. I'm on. But you call my I'm not
Oh no, I need a Marian of Marian got a lot.
Since when she got power?
She got power to make a slime not sticky. You know you have a giant ass before your money, right?
A what?
A
Yeah, I
giant
know.
ass before your money.
So?
You should change your glass. Nigga, I don't want your ass touching me.
You did. I want your body to.
I didn't touch you.
You
I
touched
did this.
me.
I did this.
No.
Marian, no power. I summon you. This is so fucking gay.
I only choose to
By
bang
the way,
you.
cannot
If
say
I don't bang you,
friendlies.
I will bang the auntie.
Cannot say
I don't
friendlies.
care, bring the ass.
Cannot say friendlies, by the way.
Okay, really, I'm gonna bang you. Not bang, but bang.
Please don't do either one of you. What the hell?
I'm a little butterfly.
Let me call Marian.
Why?
Why you wanna call Marian? You miss Marian so much.
Because we
She
fight.
is Marian.
Is that my dad? Hey, my dad called me.
This is your superpower.
Okay, let me
Marian,
call Let me call my dad.
Oh.
Yeah, let me call my dad.
Hey, Papa. Hello, 你哭了，爸爸。我是 lady，我是 lady。She's so dumb to us. Do you tell your parents you're going to?
Hello.
No. I told them I'm going to do
我
my
现在没有
SIM
回来，我现在跟我朋友去整乖。
I mean, not wrong,
Yeah,
I'm
we
going
eat
Daiso
there.
what.